Hi guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to accept payments on your website using ProfilePress. So we'll begin by navigating to ProfilePress over on the left, then we'll go to add-ons. So on this page, we'll need to ensure that the PayPal add-on is active. Now I'll go to the dashboard, and if it's your first time setting up the plugin, you can click on here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can see all of the different payment methods. You could have also clicked on settings, then payments, and payment methods at the bottom. So now we can see that we are back on the same page, and now we'll click on the PayPal link. Now on this page, we'll click on check to enable. We have the title as PayPal, description as pay via PayPal. Now we need a client ID, secret, and we need to set up a webhook. We'll need to go to developer.paypal.com. After you log in, you'll need to go to apps and credentials. And right now we are in sandbox mode, but I'll switch to live by just flipping this switch. And I have a bunch of different apps already, but I'll click on create app at the bottom. Now next we need to name our app. So I'll call this one PPress, and that's PPress for ProfilePress. And I'll click on create app. Now wait for it to finish loading. I'll speed up this part. Now we need to copy this client ID. So I'll click on this icon and we'll go back. Let's paste it in here under client ID. We'll go back and we'll click on show for secret. We'll copy the secret as well. And we'll go back and paste it in the secret field. So that's fine. Next, we'll need to add our webhook. So we are going to copy all of this. Let's just highlight it. Now we'll copy it and go back to PayPal settings. We'll scroll down to webhooks. We'll click on add webhook. We'll paste the URL. Now let's scroll down, and for this part, I'll select all events, but if you want to, you can go ahead and select individual events from this list. Now once we get to the bottom, I'll click on save. Now we need to wait a few seconds for our webhook. So here it is. We have the webhook right here, and over on the right in this column, we have the webhook ID. So we'll copy this and go back to ProfilePress and we'll paste it in this field. So that's fine. And next we have an option to enable other payment methods that are offered by PayPal. So if you want, you can click on this checkbox to enable it. You can also remove billing address fields by clicking on the next checkbox. Now I'll click on save changes. Alright, so we are done with this part. Now let's go back to payment methods. I'll just click on the link. And we can see that PayPal is now enabled. So right now we can take live payments on our website. We can see this green marker here. Let's also make PayPal our default payment method. I'll save these changes and we're done. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and apply this to a membership plan. I'll click on membership plans in the menu on the left. And here we already have this plan called basic plan. I'll click on the link to open it. And it's just a plan that I set up really quickly with some information from the demo site. All we need to do is just get this link here. I'll just copy this. And I'm going to add this link to a button in the pricing section. Now on this demo, we should have a pricing page or a pricing section on the home page. I think it's actually on the home page. So we'll visit the site and we'll scroll all the way down. It's right here. We'll click on edit. Now once we are in the editor, we'll scroll back down to the pricing section. We'll click on the button and we'll just add the link to this section. We'll paste it. Okay, and once we're done with that, we can click on update. Now we can go ahead and test it out. I'll just open the page in a new incognito window and I'll scroll down to find the pricing section one more time. We'll click on get started. And that takes us to a checkout page where we could enter our payment information and we have the option to pay with PayPal. And once again, as a quick demonstration, I'll fill out all of this information and I'll click on PayPal. Now we just need to wait for it to load. And once we get to this page, I'll sign in off screen. And again, it should take a few more seconds. And now we can see our PayPal payment page. Alright, so this is how you could accept PayPal payments on your website with ProfilePress. Thank you for watching and see you next time.